ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur gi office ni akoina hojik changdurga permission lawjagadoribasi ko International Women's Day gi ko nursing fraternity mayam ni hojik akoi changaga permission lawrani.
World Health Organization (WHO) has declared 2020 as the year for nurse and midwife, and the role of nurses and midwife is very important for universal health coverage. I am happy that the nursing fraternity in Manipur have taken an active role.
Akoina hojik lejarbasi Imphal West ki Deputy Commissioner Office ni akoina hojik laise permission lawba akogi International Women's Day gi nursing fraternity mayam na hojik koi jabasi. International Women's Day ga khusanamna akoi Manipur da lairiba akoi gi nurses fraternity mayamna punjaduna akoina ngasi Women's Day ga mari lene Ima Market sida akoina camp ama pangthok sabani madudi NCD screening, that is non communicable disease launa gandaba laina mayam gi amasung 3 common cancer screen tawzabani adudi akoi gi oral cancer, cervical cancer and breast cancer akoi gi nursing fraternity na khatangna handa World Health Organization na 2020 the year of the nurse and the midwife si designation da upni akoi na toriba plan asi ahamada akoi Ima Market la aga akoi ima sindagi permission lauraga akoi leaflet se yen thoga akoi screening gi program date asuktani na hairaga mon myam de invite tawzabani aduga akoi na invite tawraba matungda akoi gi screening camp asi hayeng dagi numinini chatharani hairaga ima singda akoi information asi pizabani. Leaflet yan thokpa loizare leaflet se yan thokpa loraba matungda akoi hojik Imphal Municipal Corporation da chalaga permission lawraga akoi International Women's Day asi celebrate tawnabagi permission lawba chatlani hojik. Lejarbasi Imphal Municipal Corporation dani akoigi hojik International Women's Day ki akoigi 2 days awareness program pangthokna bidamakta akoigi nursing fraternity koi pullaga permission lawba lakchari.
Non-communicable disease, diabetes, hypertension, cancer, asthma, screening aduna Radiva, Ima Ibel, Ichel, Chahi Kuntrali, Matata, Laibasingu, Amal Mutta, Matata Kakat Piduna, screening ke Masida Sarab Yanova, Mayapithona, Hanna, Hazari, Kavachari.
I give me Karma Pranita Devi, I Community Health Officer, Health and Wellness Center, Manipur, Hazari. Akoi ngasi sinja rangzari basi International Women's Day numin rini chukani ahamadi lang tarong isina koina Ima Market da koina screening camp ama nurse mayam nursing fraternity all over the Manipur sina koi labda mujhe jaraga jasa sabani akoi private nursing institution government ki ati amasu akoi staff nurse PHC CHC da ati koi private ki leriba hospital mayam ati koi labda samdaraga nursing fraternity mayam na 2020 World Health Organization designated the year of the nurse and the midwife and designated the area. Ako natin challenge na ako nursing profession na kaidobo ngami kari awareness piba ani kari care loba adu ngambagi kasi connection nga matugin ako ni screening kaya mas pakot jamani ako ni screening kaya mas tatawzari kasi ahamala registration visit line ko kaya mas maming matachan biraga wagi vitals o diba blood pressure like bra RBS check to biba diabetes lab to wagi science center like bra na history take kaya no biba adu gi matunda wagi cancer gi number of cancer logo gi hingala ko imatuna cervical cancer breast cancer oral cancer asina check ba ko screening kaya mas nurses mayam na chajara ka pangkok jamani asige matagta ko gi satra mayam sina role play to bidana public media kari injection tharang logani lifestyle kamaina modify logani aduga kari khang logani haina koina na dringai de kari injection tharang logani hai bagi matang na koina sizalang de ga pangkok jamani koi almost all the nursing fraternity of all the Manipur Seven Pula Punchale koi six the power five haina chela ga koi tawzari mo myam na koi na contribute zaraga koi nursing fraternity ga mga bi ha bagi challenge ki matang na pangkok trains registration ni ako patient ni maming mata kung mga ako register na screening section na sa naman sige site na leris na ako NCA screening sa gani sugar testing to ako so asong na blood pressure mo ba ni NCA ako ni section niya 5 breast examination to ako ano niya ako ni screening na ano PI screen na machi lang sa ako para na ako ni awareness na raspberry ano niya ko so ako ni divine to raga kada mag-screen ako patient niya sa pura sige mag-consider ako na awareness niya pero nurse na kaya naman kami ano 2020 year of the nurse and the midwife Nightingale Challenge pero ito rin ipapanda kasi.
Recently, during the International Day for Women, they have organized screening camp at Ima Market, which is our unique facility in Manipur. And I wish our nurses and midwife all the success in their future activities, and we as the rest of society should support them and assist them wherever possible for better health of our entire population of Manipur. Thank you.
Maling binibigyan ng pangkop siya ganin. Turong masi, hawag siya na bagitanja. ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯜꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯒꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯅꯣꯡꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯒꯦ.
As an inspired guest for I'm very much humble and fortunate to be present here. Masigi topic is Women's Day celebration. Asida, I assume Karina, I am Sida Shed of Sneakatarabata. So Karabamatanga, I am being a lady, and things are about Tanga, Nasimhauda. And I give family heroes, I give parents heroes. As a daughter, I am going to be here for me. I just say, no, I give say, I give parents, unfortunately, for you now, equality in society. Tough mind and trade for you woman and also come over the college, the brother had a super for a sida, shade of the Kalapamanga. I was brought up in a family where I two of us, my one brother and myself. So I parents now they never made me feel that he's a boy and I'm a girl. I believe same opportunities, same thing provide for me. The best of the best when I was around. My parents were school teachers, government servants, secretary, already retired, police, school. He is a government employee, but the parents even the best to the only thing that I felt was equal was the power in our brother. Aduga, I now used to think a lot. Purposely, freedom, what I planned. That time, I didn't think much. Although I now put the care or put the care higher than Sida, I give the restriction in the sense, only in that, Madhukari, the society is inequality, crime, they say women, and parents are protective for and brother, focusing on the important and theater and knowing, so that is not their fault. Nothing. And everything I was given equal opportunities. Sometimes I had monthly, I could be each other. Thổi ở đâu mà tập đấy mà chỉ xin anh đi ăn chỉ được lấy đấy mà không thổi ở đâu mà tập là anh thổi cái đồ là anh đi vào bát sẽ là các like bar so anh thổi that is the kind of treatment my father gave it to me. And the same thing my brother also. So I grew up in an environment where a boy and a girl was treated equally, except as I had socially society is saying inequality mapanda ulagi thumul pada crime rates la nuki target korapana ekoi parents la protective body belagi inequal treatment khara area la adunde aduna haibasi akoi generations after generations different kinds of inequalities hai tapna di munda abran khale ngasi koi se learning ba larik tandana thabak to thole ka myam se reality ha amaya koi yawe na ya hamse
ima ipa na kai doge khoida akhoi gi sinna nupa singdi phajana hauna sema ga thamme akhoi na chaba matamdana khoi gi chaki maning oirakpa kano sikse akhoi nupi na chagare ni haina oina chai then kolik phengbu matamdana mu kai dawe akhoi gi kolik phengba se nupi da phenggadam ne nupa macha du dia lam chathokano nangdi nang aun pot ya proktabi ada proktabi na sa nupa proktabi adagi swara ngagba adagi then sisna kai ko get directly ngon ngangi to the verbal abuse and bathang dana economical abuse hawadana kai no ha kada paisa thuma sing sai ai se hagi bodo nang di nurse le to tho nang to lo to ipigi imung thabak su kan haiba ai thabak to honba natraga ai to se mala thoma jo asan to ni pi ko bisen to kiba. That is the economical abuse. And the last thing is the sexual abuse. Sexual abuse is the ai husband ga lemina matam na tai sa da mong da ai nupi ne na ai ne pam da mong da lemina san ba adigi mobile phone da tai sa da picture sing yengan ba ai sa sing yengan ba natraga na ngasai gi maga lemina ba mong da any type of mong sa da mong da ai season na ko say this is the called the sexual abuse. Sigi type of the sexual ka do sing se violence sing se kari gumba nupi ba da ko na thok taraga di please note the what ki thok the tinbiro natragadi ai se khangpam thokpadi maitei gi prabhav ama leidaina isa phattaba chawbu ngayo no nupa phattaba siba ngayo na masi ngai ngai da ai mentally stress angau ba haiba du wara piyai or natragana self society to na sininga ko purpose ya so si sing se koina thongna phana legi hai taragadi ai isa dhana apply to biyo ba ai gi jum du da ai gi jum ai gi isa ai gi family to biyo ai gi family ki mathang du da ai gi neighbor da an advice to biyo ba ai gi neighbor da mathang da gi ai society da sharing to biyo ba one day no mari khoi nupi hai was strong should no organize
si manipur da atappa khungthang da ngasi international women's day pangthok jarapani sanglaba sahi kun thra sida ngasi di international women's day se manipur da mapung pharak pagi achauba saglo nam urak pase asuki matik thawai wa je karigi ai nupi moina pogi sarapani na nupi gi damak hingjagani nupi gi damak ai kathok sagani haibagi wakhalon da ngasi isagi sinpham ojawai ba tharuk jaraga nupi gi cause da ya rajniti da join tok jarapani adubu aigi academics oiba amadi aigi isagi oiba personal work punamak se tuina ba haiba se aigi motto ni aduga loina na professional oiba technical profession da lebiba isa sing inaw sing na hena join toksen birakba aigi numit haiba da sar ya ba tholak tan nga sing an ta na thupirak lerga aigi numit palon tok ba da sar ya tana siguma thorum pareng mayam amaga sinbirak pase ai haithong khangdana ai mayamgi kaino dharau je ngasigi chillaba nga sagi international women's day lakpunina aikoi nupi singse ahan kanabu mayai de phaman gadagi haina khana birak matamda masing watpagi awabase ngasi su mayam adong ubirangani adubu sillabasu mayamgi tawminabasida saruk macha matadi minute manga matang laujaraga isa sing inaw singa saruk yaminaba phanganbi bagi damakta manipur nursing council bo hangai laitana thagachari matungdasu hena tawbirakani haibagi asado ai mayamgi mapamda thamjaningi karigino any different profession da laiminaragasu nupi haibe khoidi koklaroi nupi oina dum hingadaba nupi gi damakta nupi oina poksarakpa yakse nupi amoina sakthokjaba tanggadabane nupi poklai haidana akoina nupa gi matau tanggadaba nupi haibase nupa dagi hena phajai haibase medi isana yabiyo women are more beautiful than men yes men are handsome but more Pichibigi nature ga naknabase nupi da phajaba singthaningai leite masigi damakta nupi akoi sakthokjagadabane
matamduna 2007 sina ihan hanboina police DSP kunthra khanbagi manungda nupi 13 yawba ada police department ji am pakhatle moise kamai tawdana nupi 13 sina gano tawdoino na aduga moina khoi si posting si ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ CIDꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ SDPO ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯕ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯝ ꯑꯊꯧꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ SDPOꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯟꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯈꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯪꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯇꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯄꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯄꯨꯕꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯟꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯇꯥꯖꯍꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯏꯔꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯐ꯭ꯂꯠ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑ ꯋꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯈꯛ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯥꯎꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯡꯆꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ mentally ꯌꯥꯝ sound ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯩ mentally fit ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ physically fit ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ physically fit mentally fit ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯣꯛꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯀ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯅꯔꯁꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯇꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯄꯨꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯔꯁꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯕꯤꯀꯣꯁ ꯅꯔꯁꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯅꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯇꯔꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯁꯣ ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯩ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯄꯣꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯅꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯇꯔꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯆꯦꯟ ꯈꯣꯏꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ khara mapuga khara nakpa nurse ko asmoi smai hayore kana haiba admai toba nurse yaudaba nate aduna akoigi nurse ki group sina so aigi job sida kyam secure oi haibisi pulap punjalaga unified oiraga ko maramdi aina 10 years you have put in 10 years 20 years of service any no in a private hospital am toba matamda after that 20 years aigi service ki kari benefit lei ai si atopam pham chalu kan kari employment toba ya aina mokoi da pigriba service duga natra aduna adugumba sisu khantaba mathau tare aduna akoi nurse ki fraternity singsi ngasi advice dina chade masi akoi nupi oibinina mayamna hanthani yengbase nungaite aduna masi akoi amtang punjal laga nurse ki fraternity gi su kari kari toba ya habisi khana biraga tobina ba aina ngasi ki thoram masi ki khudung sa basi lorga ai thamjaramge loinana akoi ngasi ayambadi nupi ngatani except cameraman and nupa khara lepasantana moise tari tahaning dabane ado tajarasano ado kaisu kaide ado akoi se moina ne thina tobu ya baza nate aduna ne always try to fight for your right ko aina hiding ba aina chumme haina khanba photo adudi ai haido kadabani madu ai gi father we bi ai gi husband we bi ai ko makoina koi da kaisu leitana hekta tati tawena chalo rabo thiro kais mai haiba ya pote hana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ DSP ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯁꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯛꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯣ ꯊꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯔꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏ so let us all celebrate International Women's Day and I wish you all the best thank you everyone
1975 tagi akhoi USA da International Women's Day chahi khuding observe tawgadabani haina March 8 sida lauthokraba matung sida ngasi fawada women gi status di satisfactory oidri oibirabrane oide why because we don't have equal right akhoi gi right to equality akhoi phangde nupa ga nupi ga chap manaba thakta leitri India gi hoina nupi gi population 48% sida organized sector da thabak tawriba nupi singsa only 4% adagi parliament da 33% nupi gi reservation lay kaido wai 33% oidoino akhoi 50% oidam natro nupa na 50 nupi na 50 oidam natro India saukhatte Manipur saukhatte karigidama nupi nupa right chap manada widama India ki women workforce se world ki 120 subda layer 100 ki manung bosan de akhoi mapan thokpa yade thabak tawande equal rights be de and we don't have right to safety nupi amana pung tam tagi di mapan thokpa yadre madui matunda we don't have right to education ujia koi sahar meya saida sakhat mapam grasida lai kai sutam na bewani ujik manung hanjan malam singda nupi sing lai tam da bitel le class 10 hek fail already dum drop out ram lai tam da dre yung ban lagi khal le re chakhum adegi chakhuyan se na le adegi workplace akhoi hoji thabak taw nupi yam de organized sector da thabak taw nupi yam de aina khwai sawning di ko I say visually impaired ni mit uzadraba nupi mani ipuroi bana chahi kun phare ai bu do piramba ai isa nupi se o omdai da ma sakhibane isa nupa na ahan ni ada mana hai ai isa se pokpa matam da ma ko matam da ai isa na te hai phare nang na sa natradi ai yo ge ai mangone gi sikki ma tangana ai isa ni yo e ai pai ma support ka loina na ada ai khai sawning is certificate ne ai maming yaw dosi ai daughter of adu and adu ai mamai maming ibidem ibibrane ai na wala senzara ga ai isagi educational certificate ai ming yaw dosi ai am sawning ba mamai maming su include tam bada ne natrane nupa du na sikim po thokdana se manatre ai na senzare ai maming do I Izado Tinsubong Monoranjan, the son of Mapai Baming Alfred. I became happy. Masiki right said, I quit the lay of an air. Adegi Nasi Lensin Miniba Mayam Marasitu, husband who do Pidam Mayam. Sonda Bigano, inferiority complex, some of the ID Soldier Bani, ID Kashumam Zadrabani and the Legano. Leisabi sing na mi sa pamatanda wa pakhang na lagna ra pamatanda mohong sa na lagna ji phujalam wa ase phugadam ne mamai na thasalam gadam ne aregi ngasi ba de mune akoi na imada ni chindi ngam me ba ngamdra ngam moi jaloi adu taw ngam baba de ngam de ba why baba de koi hagal ngam de ba sina dum ta e ba koi inferiority complex am da lai ni ha sa akoi taksar akoi no have said kar tam gadam neba everything yes na dum akoi je nethara ga moina nethara ga koi society is the low level da thambi greba aduna handaki women's day celebrations sidegi di akoi mit pangase akoi sida ai mangling sin biriba punbiri ba ima ibel sing chili now sing sidegi di makeup thopiro अखोई तुमिन लैब मतम नत्रे अखोई हौगलसी अखोई पुनमक वर्क तौमिनरसी अदुगा ख्वाइदगी साउनिंगबा अमनको नुपीना नमधाबसी इमुंगदा मौ अमा लानी मादी अवुन को याम पुरक्ते अदई मादी वर्किंग वुमेन अमा अखोई थबक तौब नुपी अमना नुपा अमना थबक तौरगा मासे प्रोग्रेस मथंग काखत्खिबा मतमददिको मथौना फैदा नुपा से आई इसा से मथौना फंग्रेदा है नुपीदना प्रोग्रेस चसबदो अदुदी थौना फै हाइबीदेबा नुपीदना काखत सगदब मतमदि सखुमना नमसल थंबीबा सिगुमसिंथे अखोई रेस तौगदबनी अखोई गांगदबनी लावदबनी लाव लेप यादे कइनोदा अखोइना लाव लेपिबा मतमदा डोमिनेट तौरकाना अखोइसे नमसलगा थंबीदोइनेबा मयाम पुनमक माइ पांगियु विडो आइबसी नुपाना हुंदोपिरबसी हौना लेबियो इसा इशू फजना सेमसी सोसाइटी सिदा अखोई इशू स्टेटस अवाक स्टेटस अमदा लेदना बहोनसी मसे हाइगा इलोसिजरी
अहनबमक्तदा कैथेल लाइरबी माबु हकना चेतना खुरुमजबग लोइनना ngasi International Women's Day celebration on the theme I am Generation Equality Realizing Women's Rights. Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Officers, HWC Manipur, Principal of all the Nursing Institute of Manipur. Napunna Kutsam Naduna Siliba, Nasigi function, Asigi Akui Daista, Lengshin Biriba, dignitaries, ma'am, Kaikumna Bocheri, Loina, Nasigi function, Nasida. Lengshin Biriba Maruina Aikoigi nursing fraternity gi Aikoigi Chinau Singh, Marumapang Singh, then other invitees, friends from the media. A very good morning to all of you. Ngasigi Aikoigi International Women's Day celebration. Theme na I am Generation Equality Realizing Women's Rights. 2020 ki International Women's Day gi aikoigi theme simakta dasu highlight tawraga ngasi gi pangthokliba function asi hojik aikoigi samaj sidaista aikoigi state sidaista aikoigi country da then all over the world ngasai gi nupi gi oiriba phibam nupi gi leiriba status Siga yamna relevant oiba theme the pangthokpa function ni ehaki mamang the sozi aikoigi speakers mayamamana resource persons mayamamana wafam mayamama thambiramle ko honorable chairperson madam maknasu aigi colleague SP traffic SP Kakching and koigi oja sunita pumna magna yamna relevant oiba yamna significant oiba wafam sing mayam ama thambirame ai ha kitang supplement taujage aikoina ngasai gi women's rights nipi gi right haibina chingba wafam si sum nainarakpa matamda right si karino nipa nipi chapmanei samaj amada nipa da phangiba adhikar rights mayam dusu nipi da chapchana phangbam thoi right to equality educational rights then social rights then economic rights adigi workplace terms and conditions rules and regulations whatever is there nipa de apply to bodu sunipi de apply to darkar oi aduna aspects yam red koina actually women's rights se karino haina sum naina rakpa matamda like it can take a whole day seminar gum na tawraga aspects mayam se am kup na naina ba darkar oi ne ba adubu sablamna koina thamakanda ngasi ai koina nipa nipi rights chapma nei phangbam thokpa adhikar mayam se chapma na phangbam thoi haiba se naina rakpa matamda karino haiba kanda it entails the various stereotypes mayamama prejudices mayamama akoigi social constructs adagi akhoi gi cultural constructs mayam ama over time chahi lisang sitna akhoi gi chatnabi magi mawngda society sida dong kai haini mawng amada lakpa system do adu gidu break toba stereotypes mayam do break toba prejudices mayam do adu thugairaga adu break toraga realization amala akanda chap chana on ground akhoi gi phangbam to rights phangbadu neba mashi gi matang sida masai thambi gi bawa fam duni it starts from home aduna bias ama lady base ngasai gi gender bias lady si nipa ga nupi ga gi sigi bias ama lady base right from the time a woman gets conceived nipi ama yung palabi nupi ama ngasai angang unadore haina ma se hek angang conceived ore hai base dagi people start speculating families start speculating nipa oidora nupi oidora nipa prefer to weba in-laws khangde my family khangde masi aikon panyamna sigi though we engage so much with all these things about gender equality sidagi dum haudro sidai dum taraga then of course kanagumbina nipa arsu nupi arsu keshu kaide nipa nupi chapane haina khogi educated lot mama sigi wapam su lei adubu most of the families sigi keno sema dum lei reba then after that ngasagi angang si pokla laba matung da so adum when we start raising our children adu da so dum lei reba ngasagi nipa na kari toba nipi na kari toba haibana chingba mayam ama certain things nupi na tobam thokpa certain things nipa na tobam thokpa haibana chingba mayam ama sidagi sum hauraga adagi school karpa then teenager oirakpa then life ki matang different phases mayam se sum lakpa sidai sta koigi whole kainoma system ama sum adugi mawang du da brought up to ropaduna chaura kanda adult oira kanda middle aged oira kanda adum sigi akoigi nipa nipi haibagi keno sima dum layeba of course wafam kharase thamjaba matamda yahakna kano se ngasagi nipa ga nipi ga se manai haiduna so of course there are certain things by virtue of the biological disposition of women akoi nipa ga nipi ga hoi manada ba khara lei magi ngasagi biologically ishwarna semak pasidaista adu akoi realize tawi adu akoi nipi khuding ma khoi loin ma acknowledge tawi I once again akoi gi ngasi organize tawiriba Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Offices, Manipur, Principal of all the nursing institutes of Manipur, Ashigumba, Thauram Mamai Hapu, Sarugyana Nabagi, Tanjamtang, PB Baginamaktusu, I have the Takacheri, Luna Lonena, I have the Tamjaning Badi. I wish to all my friends and everybody gathered here a very happy International Women's Day, and let us all work together for betterment of women in our society. Thank you.
Daratsamaya laktana laying bitra popom da tatana imaza noi kudimang lao laying asi adana laying ba se ma na karpangam traga chuma pham du da sat laying bi bakim te gibu daratsa kudimang bu kai tien da leba akoi kudimang na hanna na thagat chaba oina khanjari kai tien da lai ba mama mayam jidi salaga laying mangam da ba and ama joma chu kari ani kai tien kaning mani hendan dana karib ta tatpagam da ba sak cha taga chu kai tien ka ba jam pam ja ba ayu ma de hai ba ayu ma ani de no ga ba de kai tien kaning ba sibu dara samayam la ga mama jinjigi ba tien pang bi na ba sigim tagi geng layeng bi na ba se dara samayam bu hanana thaga chai asia le tension jan
lamdam sibu kon biri ba kai theni ma lai rem bibu pongno no khramjari aduga I wish every one of you present here happy International Women's Day in advance today. Ngasigi sigumba International Women's Day say actually it falls on tomorrow, that is 8th of March. In advance oina koina tarik taruk and tarita celebrate tawjawagi maram kaya amasu lei. Aduga taseng na maki hai taragati handaki kaino year sida piriba team se when we discuss together with all the CSOs and the principals of nursing institutions in Manipur, there in my office in Manipur Nursing Council, akoina ihan hana feel tawjabase. Mayamna nurse ni hai tarakanda everyone in the society, mayamna nurse amabu being say those who is there near the bedside giving care to the patient. Adu khatane hai na uba. Aduga akoina sum khanjabada there are other aspects that a nurse can do beyond that area. Haiba wakulan si thamakan sida akoina after much discussion. Why not we celebrate International Women's Day in collaboration with all the nursing fraternity in Manipur. Haiba wakalasi thamjaraga koi pangthok pani. Tauriba wakalo na si karmaina pulake haiba bo akoina sum khanjaba matamda. International Women's Day, it's all about the woman. Prithvi se laiba nupi oi bi punang maki matang da nga sai ningsing boy ni kai khumna boy na International Women's Day se celebrate tawrinya. Women's haiba say when we identify who all are the women, haiba matam sida we can atungan ma group kharadang loina mang na tataraga su mainly nupi na dominant about group ani kha koi na identify tawjabani. The first group is IMA group. Lairiba Impalda, it's all woman market nearby Asia, the one of the base haibatai, and it's the only market in haibatai. Adreda lady by Ima Kuding Makse. Nasagi 3 IMA markets in the lady by Ima Mayam see, it's woman being at the hip. Atopa manaka may to have nursing have a profession, see the lady said, Nuping at the hip. Why not we collaborate these two groups? Haibu wakalon da when the International Women's Day, which celebrate over it. Aluna, Aquina, e manika tamme celebration sige. Haiba, women's right, realizing women's right. Haiba areas, there are different areas. Women give a right mayamam lady I mamang dangang bikipa all the inspired gis the resource person mayam na loina magse loina mangang bikhe. Aina thamjaning badi akoina health ki aspect yengba matamda. Health is a fundamental human rights ne. We just picked up only with that area. Adu area seeing jara consider what nurse can do for the improvement of women's health. Adugi matang na koi tokjabs. Aduna akoina tentative plan ama we targeted about 400 IMAs. We target only 400. And the population that we cover is the population there in the 3 women's market leriba imagi population je koi log jai heba. And the sample and the sampling technique je koi mana just purposive random sampling. Achi laura kanda we have collected number of IMAs. Akoina 400 se 400 se akoina kano 400 seat. Akoina target over matamda the turnover see kamayam like at more than 500 level. Adoy taragadi it is really 100% successful celebration ne na koi lobi ay. Akoina injury ba porsi kamay to ge women's health se kathen na phami ba ima se we can summarize as 2000 noina koi summarize tawra se. Ima lising ani leiba Imag market ahum sida represent tawri say 2000 oitaragadi they represent 2000 families. 2000 families level. 2000 families a lady by ima khudimangna look after tawri say whole family to never in every aspect. Whereas magi kathen phamna ba hotna ba magi economically support tawna na ba hotna ba kam magi physical health se asaya mana mana kam to ehab. Maybe she doesn't have time to go and visit to the hospital for checkup. Health problems related with the women, like cervical cancer, breast cancer, and other things, which is very much related with the woman only. High areas affect our Aduna akhoi AMD karino haibabu, why not? We picked up these areas and we have planned to screen these areas. Aduna high reports we started working from the 4th of March onwards. High reports publicity pamphlets and motivation so that all the imams can turn up for physical checkup. High reports it is not at the secondary and the tertiary level the healthcare in the table. It is at the level of primary healthcare services that a nurse can give to the public, especially to the women's community. Aduna primary level of prevention of disease regarding cervical cancer and breast cancer and other oral cancer. Sigi matang sida, what we can do is that we can go for screening. Aduna siga marilena na we set up 3 different areas where we can give for cancer screening of cervical breast examination and other oral examination. These are the things that we have completed. Other the findings, the statistical inference today we can calculate afterwards. So that, see, matung sida, as per the result, madura phangakpa result, tugi matung ina, we can motivate the nursing scholars, like who those are pursuing for MSc nursing. Research ki topic, amo ina koi PBI hai. Those areas, kari akoi implication kari darkar legi hai se. Aduna hai bang asigi akoi na pangthok jariba International Women's Day sida ima mayam ki health screening tawriba why nursing na funding agency so koi later banina. All the nursing institution mayam na contribute tawnarakan sida with kari hai batare yamna haising na akoi sinjabani and sagi guess mayam lakpiriba mayam na koigi kari appreciate orambasina it deserves, and we everything that akoina spend okay amount the time that we have spent haiba punamang sa idiko na khajai sumain tawdana. I wish every one of you to be successful in life. Adana please empower yourself in every aspect. Sumain tawdana I wish all the very best. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you.
Ngasi akoigi International Women's Day 2020 asigi function sida aibu board of thanks pina bagidamak tanja phangjabi gi labak yamna phabani ahan bamakta da akoigi thoram asigi thoburel oibirambi Dr. Binota Mainam, Chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women's Government of Manipur bu Madam Loi Papa Yobong Amdraga Suma Yachin Mamatambu Kaitopiduna Kogi Rectang Haktang or Basuling Sin Biram Dana Mamanyam Daba Wahikea, Sierra to Biramita Madambu Tagat Pundosari. Aduga Luinana, a Kogi Sigi inspire guest or in a Lensin Biramba, Masu Lensin Biribi, Lensin Biramba, away Pangsan Dilo Yobiram Dragasu. Akoi achin mamatam kaya bu Madam Sina kai thokpiduna akoi irakta na siling biraktana mamanyam lawa pauta amasung makoi da thorok experience kaya bu share to bigi da mata amuka hanasu organizing committee dagi maikai dagi aina thagat paphonglu chari Madam Singbo aduga loina na akoi gi ima kai chen ge vice president oi biri bi ima mangi busu nasi function asida nation biraktana akoi gi irakta tin biraba adu ngarang degi koina health checkup to na mateng kya pangbigi dam teima bulsu amuka hanna thagat paphum dokjari aduga akoi gi yamna maroi ba akoi gi nursing profession asibu uplift to bada mateng yamna sauna pangbiri ba akoi gi nursing education amasung nursing research amasung akoi gi profession asibu kadai de soki gadege haidana yamda kumna senazari bi akoi gi kai kumna zaraba ming oina panjaraba da akoi gi Mrs. K Ratna register Manipur Nursing Council bu Madam bu Hanna Thagat Pongdosari, Nasi Madam Gi Adugum Balusing Makadu da Queen and Nasi, Asuma function as so Queen my partner Pangtopam Zebani, Aduga Luina Quina, Nasi Narang the Gi Queen hold and health checkups as over Sarukama function as yes over Sarukamoina, Sarukia Biriba, Quig nursing faculty sing, Amasuma Quig in the community nursing officer Sinbu. So Amuka Hanna Thagat Pongdosari Aduga, Yam the Maru, but how down lower Quig nursing students sing. सिबुसु काउबे यारोय मोइना सु ngarang aduki ngarang degi na ngasi phawda contribution me am sauna pibi dana akhoi ngasi gi function ase mai pakpa ma purak pangambani haina lojei aduga loina na akhoi gi electronic media print and media se kangu akhoi ngasi gi cover function ase ko cover tobiri ba simbusu thagat pa hana phongdok sari aduga akhoi gi security person simbusu thagat pa phongdok sari aduga loina na akhoi gi catering tobiri ba masung volunteer busu akhoi gi organizing committee mai gai degi hanna akhoi na thagat pa phongdok sari adu wahai khara se haizaraga ai amka hana mayam degi thagat pa phongdok sari
अखोई इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे 2020 एसी अखोई नर्सिंग फैटर्निटी मैमना इमा मार्केट पांगथोकजबनी पांगथोकजरिबगी मरमदी अखोई नर्सिंग फैटर्निटी ना हदकी 2020 ईयर ऑफ द नर्स एंड द मिडवाइफ असी वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ना डेजिग्नेटेड एज ईयर ऑफ द नर्स एंड द मिडवाइफ हाइदना अदुना अखोई नर्सिंग फैटर्निटी ना कैदौबा ngami हाइबदु हाइबदी screening part or any awareness or nursing na tauba ngamba because nursing is a multidisciplinary approach ne haina khangna bagi damakta akoi nurse ki manipur da laiba fraternity mayam si punjalaga akoi ki women's day sida women's ki health se phanaba laitaba yade haibagi pandam da akoi na sinjal langja duna pangthok jabani ima market covers about 5000 population. So yesterday screening sida we have completed 603 screening for all the imams present in the Imam market. Aduga akhoi ki screening torba matungda akhoi ki positive case id ma nabayai na narakchingai mangda kari chechin tharang lawgani amasung preventive measure promotive measure adagi akhoi ki referral case lifestyle modify torga karma mongda laini haibadugi pandam da khoina chakha jarapani sigi function nasi